Okay, so now when we edit or create a course, we can also add enrollments or remove enrollments. But when we go to the course show page, we don't have the enrollments displayed anywhere. So we can create a table or something where we are going to display the course enrollments. Well, we can just copy one of the tables and customize it to be the course enrollments. So let's go maybe to lessons index. We can copy the table. I'll copy the whole table. I'll paste it in courses show, let's say above the calendar, and I will customize it. So it's going to be enrollments. We can also note it somewhere that these are enrollments. And what are we going to have? We're going to have the enrollment ID possibly, and the user. And well, of course, we have the course. We don't have to, again, say the name of the course because this is going to be this current course. And we're going to have only the ID and the user. So we will have not lesson, but we're going to have enrollments, each do enrollment. Here we'll have enrollment, link to enrollment ID, but we don't have actually enrollment show page, so we don't need a link to enrollment ID. We will have just enrollment.user and enrollment.id. Okay, now we don't have these action links. And let's see how it looks. We'll get an error because we didn't set add enrollments. So again, in courses show, let's go to courses controller, courses show, we will say that enrollments equals course.enrollments. Enrollments equals course.enrollments, so that we have this variable at enrollments set. And okay, unknown variable enrollments. Let's see, maybe I made some mistake when copy pasting. Lesson, and here I have enrollments. So yeah, it has to be singular. Possibly. Oh yeah, and here also singular. And okay, we have the list of enrolled students inside the schools. Now you see this table doesn't look really nice. We can, well, at least add an additional break or something. Or we can add it into a card, whatever. We can work on the styling later. But now we have a list of users enrolled in the course. We can edit the list. Let's remove one of the users, update course, and we have one user enrolled in the course. So we can display the users enrolled in the course. Looks fine. Is it responsive? Let's check. Yeah, well, looks responsive to me now. Okay, I remove these helpers and let's actually display the enrolled students inside the lessons. So when we look at the calendar, we see the list of enrolled students. We'll go to the calendar partial and we can display the list of enrolled students. So inside this lessons each to lesson, we can enumerate lesson dot course. No, we will say lesson enrollments each do enrollment. Something like that. Let's try. We will have something like this. We will have an end statement, but we are going to get each enrollment. So each do enrollment. And now how are we going to get the enrollments? So we need the course. We'll say lesson dot course dot enrollments, possibly each do enrollment. And we will say equals enrollment dot user. Let's see if this works. Okay, and I see the users enrolled in this course. Is it correct? Let's see. Let's open the course. It has an admin enrolled. Let's enroll the second student. I update the course, and I have two students visible as enrolled inside this course when we look at the lesson. So we go to the calendar, we see the dates of the lessons, and we see the students that are enrolled. Looks fine. And that's it for now.